Hi, my name's Kim from best-acupuncture.com, and I help you recover your mental, emotional, and physical health naturally. Hey, I want to give a shout out to Kris in Alaska. Hi, Kris. Kris was in the office the other day, and you know what? Part of our discussion was, what can you do at home to help your back stay flexible and healthy? Well, in this episode, I'm going to cover some easy yoga and stretching exercises that you can do at home that will help your back stay flexible and healthy. And you can do these exercises in like 5 minutes. And guess what? They also boost your energy. Who knew, right? Back pain is one of the most common complaints with aging, and if it's not from trauma, it's going to be from arthritis, just from daily living. But you know what? The reality is most of us are already experiencing back pain from trauma, from like a car accident or a sports injury or maybe a work injury. So if you're already experiencing back pain, these exercises can help you improve your back's flexibility and can help reduce the pain while boosting your energy. You're probably wondering, how could they do all that? Well, let me go over 7 exercises you can do to help maintain your flexibility, reduce your pain, and improve your energy. I'll go over each one of these exercises in detail so you can hear how each one of these exercises can help keep your back healthy and improve your energy. Okay, so let's get started. Exercise 1, eye rolls. So roll your eyes 12 times one way and then 12 times the other way. And part of the ancient theory states that you should start with the head and then move to the abdomen and then last move to the hands or the feet. And that is how these exercises are going to move. We're going to move from the head to the feet. And then there is the concept that yang energy moves from heaven downwards. Okay, and then there's the number 12. So ancient China states 6 is strengthening. So multiples of 6 would help strengthen. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and on and on. And I don't know about this counting number thing, but you know what? I do know that I've been in clinic many times with people who have tried everything, and my response has been, I don't know what you have, but if the theory is correct, it says that we should do this, and it works. So I don't know about this number thing, but the theory has worked on so many things that I'm just going to stick with it. So 6 and multiples of 6 to strengthen. Back to the eyes. The eyes influence so many of the acupuncture channels, and the eyes are a significant way to interact with the world. So if you watched my episode, DIY Sleep Faster Acupressure Points, I go over the acupuncture points around the eye, and 4 of the 12 acupuncture channels start or end at the eye, and all 4 of the channels are yang channels, and 3 of them go all the way to the feet. So one of the channels that starts at the eye is the bladder channel, and the points for the bladder channel are found all along the back and the back side of the body. So this channel goes from the eye over the head, down the back of the body to end at the tip of the little toe. And if you're curious about some of the energetics of the bladder channel, check out my blog on best-acupuncture.com. How to fix chronic back pain and how you relate to the world. As always, you can find links to every episode and every blog I reference in this video in the video description below. Exercise 2, neck stretch. tilt your head up and down 12 times. Up, down is 1. So you have your skull. It sits on top of a bone called the atlas, and the atlas sits on top of the cervical bones. So this exercise moves all those bones and helps keep them healthy. It moves and stretches the muscles that go from the skull to the shoulders, and that stretching helps open up the throat chakra and the throat. So if you've suffered from globus hystericus, this is going to be another one of those exercises that can help move that phlegm that's trapped in your throat. And if you find that you're always clearing your throat, this can help with that. So it also helps stretch the bladder and the stomach channel. Remember the 2 yang channels that start at the eye. Exercise 3, turning your neck. Turn your neck side to side 12 times. So turn to the right, turn to the left, that's 1. And this exercise is similar to 2, but it stretches the sides of the neck more than the front and the back. And this neck stretch helps stretch those muscles, but it also helps open up the channels that run alongside the neck, like the gallbladder and the triple warmer. And these are the other 2 yang channels that start at the eye. Exercise 4, body twists. This exercise, you're going to twist from the middle of your body 12 times. So twist to the right, twist to the left, that's 1. So not only does this point help stretch and loosen the back, but this twisting motion focuses on a really special point called Ming Men. And in Chinese medicine, Ming Men is the fire of life, and it's located towards the back behind your navel, and it's needled through the back. So in ancient Daoism, supporting and protecting the Ming Men was one of the key to longevity. So there's so much more to this point, and I was looking to see if I've done any detailed information on Ming Men. Well, I haven't, so maybe that's something I'll do in the future. Woo-hoo-hoo! Exercise 5, squats. Well, this is an exercise that you can do in stages, and I started out with just simple knee bends, and I did 30 to 48 of them. And remember, we're doing multiples of 6. So after a few weeks, I was more flexible, and I was able to bend down and touch the ground and use that touch to help push myself back up. And I did that 12 times because, that's a full body exercise. Then as I got more flexible, and I found I could do a wide squat. So I could do a wide squat, bend down, and not have to touch the ground. And I did that 12 times. My goal is to do a narrow squat. And I don't know if I'll ever get there, but at least I can try. So this is a really neat stretch because it stretches the low back like no other exercise I've ever tried. And that lower back sacrum area gets so damaged as you age. And you're going to find that this stretch, because it is addressing the sacrum area, also helps with your hip pain. Exercise 6, foot flexes. So 2 of them. First, move your foot up and down 12 times. So move it up, down, that's 1. And the second one is going to be foot rolls, where you roll it to the right 12 times, roll it to the left 12 times. Okay, these 2 complete the theory by addressing the feet and hands. And in this case, you're addressing the feet. There are 6 channels that go to the foot. The 3 yang channels that started at the eye all end in the foot. So finishing at the feet is like activating the whole channel. And here is one way these exercises help your energy, because they help activate and open the acupuncture meridians. And not just part of the channel or meridian, but the whole channel and meridian, because the exercises start at the head and move to the feet. Now, don't forget, with all new exercises and especially with yoga, it's really easy to overdo it without even realizing it. So keep heating pads, and check out my episode on great supplements for low back pain. Those are going to be a couple other things that can help you work through your back pain. Okay, there you have it. 7 exercises that can help keep your spine more flexible and healthy and give you more energy. Okay, thanks for coming out for this episode. And together, we're going to get healthier, more vibrant, and more active. So until next time, I'll catch you on the other side.